Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. I'm going to have a look at now and see how one of my silly ideas paid out. If you remember, it's over a year ago now, I had a mad idea, and that was to plant my potatoes in July last year. So these are what I've got. So they did grow, and I have been harvesting from them as I needed. So you can see the gap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear out this bed, and I'll show you how much spuds that I get out of this. Now these spuds were volunteers from the year before, and I can't remember if they were volunteers from the year before that. So they're a mixture of different types. There could be Charlottes, there could be Nicholas, there could be other types, Pentland Javelin. And I'm going to clear them off and see what I have, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I've had a change of plan. I'm not digging out the entire bed. I've just took another row of plants out, and that has given us that, which is not a bad harvest, I think, considering I've done absolutely no work for this bed apart from throw a few green spuds in. Yeah, so I'll weigh these when I get home and see how much they come to, and I'll stick that in the video down here. And yeah, so this silly idea seems to have worked, and I will see you on my next video.